What's up, Dream Team? So it's day 7. Day 7 at the bank. Shorty, what y'all think? We are applying sealer currently. You can see a nice little sheen throughout that. This is the finished product. So this whole back wall here is done. We just need to seal it. We did try a couple of different sealers, a couple of different things, but we ended up with one specific sealer, and you can see where we're at, see where we're not. But this is all finished. It's all been refinished. It's all been refinished. The whole, all been refinished. Nice and polished. You can see that. Look at that. Looks good. The owner said that the mom had no idea that there was this nice trim because it looked like that. That's even though it's something that we've already refinished. So, actually, no, my bad, sorry. We have not touched this. We have not touched this. So that, she said she had no idea that this was under there. That this was under that. So you can see it from far away. You can't really see it. You can see it. So look at that. Huge difference. All this has been, you can see the stop sign, the reflection, all of that. Day 7 of this project. And my phone died last night, so I couldn't. You could see where we sealed as well, so I couldn't finish up day 6 video. But boom, look at that. Nice and elegant, beautiful. That's the finished product right here. This is where we're at, day 7. Look at that sheen, that nice polish. Now I tried a different sealer. The owner of the bank came and we spoke about 4 different options. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, and I should have recorded that, but I didn't, and it's kind of a good thing I didn't, I guess, because 2 sealers looked really nice. 1 sealer really stood out. The other sealer not so much. But yeah, we use this glaze and seal here, which is normally a pretty good product. I really like it. It's very cost efficient too, but for this particular job, it did not work out. It did not look nice. And I mean, it's a good sealer. It just wasn't giving us the look that we wanted. You know, we did a good job, a nice finished product. I'll put the sealer away. Nice finished product. Beautiful, beautiful job. Look at that. Beautiful job. But when we applied the glaze and seal, it had the streaks. You could see the streaks on it from the paintbrush. We tried applying it with the rag, and it also did not look good. So what we ended up doing, though, at the top here, and you can't really see it so well. You can actually, like right there. You could tell it's not nice and polished like this. But we ended up throwing that glaze and seal on top of it. And you can see right there, watch. You can see it. Probably not, but let's try it from this angle. You can see all that. How it looks. And you can tell where I finished, or not finished, but where I stopped applying it. It doesn't have that same wet look as it does right here. See how it looks so dry. Here it looks nice. You see how that looks so dry? So dry. So we didn't want to refinish this part right here at the top because they have the stucco and we didn't want to damage it. And you can't tell on the video, but it's pretty deep. Pretty deep, that's what she said. But you don't want to go down too deep and then have a little gap between the stucco that was just done and this. See how all that looks nice and polished, even though it's not, and this looks all dry. So that glazing seal gives you that effect. This is a different sealer here. We're using Ager by 10X. Look at that, huge difference. This has all been refinished here too, so you can see it has a nice polish, but we haven't thrown the last. Look at that, huge difference. Anyways, that's day 7. So I'll keep you guys updated.